Hey y'all, welcome to New Orleans and the French Quarter. I'm Andrew, and on this channel you're going to find me and my fellow guides with Free Tours by Foot New Orleans sharing some of the wonders of this one-of-a-kind city. For the most part, you're going to find three kinds of videos on our channel. First, guided tours. We'll take you on walks and the odd drive or bike ride through all kinds of places. Neighborhoods, cemeteries, museums, historic sites, houses, and we'll share stories about what you're seeing, or you can just enjoy the scenery. Second, travel tips. Every city is different, and if you're a traveler, you can save a lot of time with a little thinking ahead. So we've got advice on things to do, things not to do, how to get from place to place, and generally how to make the most of your time. Third, we also do documentary-style videos about things happening in New Orleans right now. And once in a while, you may see us doing any of those three things in a live stream format. And if you found your way to our channel while imagining a trip to New Orleans, it doesn't have to end here. We offer daily guided walking tours in person, and like the name Free Tours by Foot suggests, there's not a set cost for attending. On all of our public tours, you get to name your own price at the end. And you can find us operating in cities across the US and Europe. And we've also got YouTube channels about London, New York, and Washington, DC. All that stuff is linked in the description of this video. And you all know how YouTube works. If you like what you see and you'd like to see more, subscribe and hit the bell so you'll get notifications when new videos come out. In the meantime, scroll down and see what catches your eye. Thanks for watching. See you out there.